Okay, that was stressful. I'm gonna go try to take some photos at this really cool, really nice spot I saw while I was coming home from work. So hopefully I don't fall while carrying my camera, stabilizer, and drone. Okay, I'm going to set this shit down and get my drone out. It was probably a bad idea to take off right here because that just blew dust and dirt all over. That was so cool. Okay. Okay, well, I guess that's good that I didn't stop recording. I gotta pack up real quick because there are bicyclists passing by here and it looks like they're pissed. But I'm being that guy right now. I'm like right in the middle of the bike lane and I know that can be frustrating. Everything's covered in dust too from when I took off right next to my things, and it's really dusty here. So that was an incredibly bad idea. Okay, well, I think I made it to the spot where I was gonna come to. Look at how cool this looks. But I didn't really catch the sunset. I was somewhere over there earlier. Pepper Park. Oh wait, Pepper, I've heard of that. I'm just gonna go in there, see what's up. People are kayaking, that's cool. It smells gross. Okay, what the? Alright, well, there's not really much over here. There was that cool little park. And the dog. Alright, oh shit. A federal wildlife officer. Look at how calm it looks here. Fuck, I think I can get a drone shot here. Yeah, that'll be cool with the reflections and all of that noise. All right, well, this kind of sucks. So I was about to fly my drone and get a really good shot right here. This little area. It looks really nice. I was gonna fly it at a low angle so you can kind of see the reflection of like that big old electricity thing and then buildings over there and whatever. But I did start recording and I was flying it, but what happened was that the gimbal on the drone started acting up for some reason. It started moving around like super jerky and it was tripping me out, so I had to bring it down. I'm almost out of battery anyway, so I'm gonna take it home. I'm gonna charge the batteries a little bit, see what's wrong with it.